Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to save an Outlook email as a PDF. This is actually quite simple. First, I open Outlook and I open the mail I want to save as PDF. Now I click on File and Print, and as a printer I select Microsoft Print to PDF. Windows offers this function by default. I also have the tool PDF24, but Microsoft Print to PDF works fine. Once I have selected this, I press Print, give it a name, and choose a location. For this example, I will save it on the desktop, so I press Save and go to the desktop. And we take a quick look at the PDF. And as we can see, that worked out very well. And with that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!